I purchased the Eurographics puzzle here from Costco. It comes with a scraper, glue, as well as the sorting trays. I chose Starry Night. My plan is to glue this together and have it a frameless puzzle. So I'm going to start by putting some wax paper underneath the puzzle to protect my countertops. I'm going to put 2 coats of the glue on the front, and then on the back I'm going to put 2 coats of Modpodge to make sure it's really secure. I found the glue that came with the Euro kit super clear, easy to put on, no ridges. The Mod Podge on the back definitely leaves ridges, is not clear, and I wouldn't use it on the front. It also smells, so open a window. There were a few spots that had edges that I ended up trimming and sanding, but all in all, I feel like this picture frameless puzzle turned out well, and I would purchase it again.